In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to reset your Discord password in just a few simple steps using your mobile phone. So let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. Tap on the Login option. Enter the email address or phone number linked to your Discord account, the one for which you want to reset the password. Now tap on Forgot Your Password. An instruction dialog box will appear. Tap OK to continue. Discord will now send a password reset request to your email. Open the Gmail app on your phone and find the email from Discord. Open the email and tap the Reset Password button. You'll be redirected to a page where you can create a new password. Type a strong password and make sure you don't share it with anyone. Tap on Change Password. Next, tap Continue to Discord. Your password has now been successfully changed. Now simply log into Discord using your new password. And that's it. Your Discord account is now accessible again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.